You will need honey, coconut oil, olive oil, and eggs.
My mom is gray. My sister is gray. My dad is gray. So I'm gray. So I've been taking care of my hair better. So I've been washing once a week and um, doing honey, egg for protein, and olive oil treatments. And I only shampoo my hair with baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Because for some reason it cleans my hair better and it gets all the product and the gel for the previous week out of my hair, and it's so much softer, so much curlier, and I just love it without putting any shampoo in there. So that's what I do. That works for me. So I don't know if everybody else, have different products they use, but I know that works for my hair. By me looking on YouTube, I've been seeing a lot of people with my kind of texture hair. It's a 4C. I don't know what my hair is, but I'm taking that it's a 4C. I'm not for sure. Don't quote me on that. It's a 4C. So if y'all guys can, if you can tell me what my hair texture is, please send me a message. It's kind of tight, coily curls like, and it's like that matted kind of hair. I don't know. I can't even explain it. So yeah, somebody tell me. So I'm about to do a raw honey, coconut oil, olive oil, and egg treatment on my hair. So I already mixed the products together like so. Ooh, sorry. I was going to warm my olive oil and honey, but I forgot I'm putting the egg in it. So of course, if you warm that, you're gonna cook the egg. So I can't do that this week. So I guess I'll warm the honey 3 weeks. And then the fourth week when I do the egg, I won't warm the honey and olive oil. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do now. Hey y'all, I unplugged my microphone, and for some reason my sound went out, so I guess I have to explain to you guys what I'm doing here. Basically, I'm just adding the honey, egg, olive oil, and coconut oil to my hair. Just self-explanatory. So I'm gonna continue to do that, and it's just basically simple. Massage it in really, really well. Get it into the hair. My hair is so funny. It's so cool and kind of curly, and then it want to mat. So I'm like, what kind of texture of hair I have? Okay, so that's basically all I'm doing. So I'm just gonna speed up the rest so you guys basically know how to apply your product to your hair. All right, bye. Not working in good. I thought I made a mess. Just take it and just work it in.
until you start seeing the curls get like really, really defined. And like, I don't know, I work it in until I start seeing my curls literally wave up. It's like you just can't stop working. You got to work it in more and more. I don't know. I guess that's me. I guess everybody do things differently, but you got to get the product into the shaft of the hair. If you don't, and then I won't say pointless because you're washing your hair, but I know me. I have to really, really get it in, and and it's coming through, and it's constantly like looking so silky and just so cute. And I have a product that I know that I haven't seen anyone use on YouTube, but I started using it because for some reason nothing else wouldn't work. And I'm gonna tell you guys when I start my twist outs, and it really helped me define that wave, and it really helped me. I'm telling you, you will be surprised what I use on my hair, and maybe somebody might not agree with me, but hey, it works for me. So I'll tell you guys when I come back, okay? When I do my twist outs and I'm all done with working this in. And that's about it. So I'm just going to, I don't have a bag, so I'm just going to use a grocery bag to go on my hair and tear it and then tie it up. You know, I try to be resourceful instead of spending money when I have a lot of bags. You know, it works the same way. It keeps the hair nice and moisture. It's no different. Why spend all the money when you got it right in your house for free when you get grocery? I have 1,000 bags. So there you go. Use them as hair caps. A resource tip for you. Old school. So that's about it, you guys. And I think this ends this video. And I'll come back with my twist out. And I'll let you guys know the tip that I use for my hair to bring my curls in. So, hey, works for me. All right. Bye. Love you. Now let it work in. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.